You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. An interesting, very interesting spelling of the name. This is an alternate spelling. Elayne, alright, so it's a different spelling. Sometimes it's spelled with an I, this is spelled with a Y, but the pronunciation is similar. Elayne is the most common pronunciation. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Elayne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.